Hello, crafty friends. I wanted to jump on and do a project share for you. I created some little prizes for my garden party for trivia and different games that we're going to play. And I wanted to share the prizes because a lot of stuff is handmade. So first, I bought several of these little bags from Hobby Lobby on the aisle with the Cricut stuff, and I think that they're so cute. They go with the summery garden theme, and I bought these stickers. They were Paper Studio several months ago, and I bought as many as my store had, I believe, and I haven't seen them since. So I just stuck that on there. And then to the zipper, I made these sweet little keychains. I bought these. These are the buttons that you buy in the sewing section, and I put it on this acrylic blank. I wire wrapped these beads and then threw on these little garden themed charms that I had. So that is how I am packaging my first prize, and my first prize is this little notebook, and I did another video with these on them, so I'm not going to spend too much time, but I created these, and like I said, there's another video for that. So this is going in there, and then this sweet little bracelet. I bought both of these pieces from Hobby Lobby, and I thought that it was super cute for a prize. So then I'm just going to package that up and put that into that bag. And then next I have another bag, and this bag, the button is a little different. I used a different sewing button. I cut off the back and added these wire wrapped beads again and more charms, and I did the same thing to the bag, and going to include a notebook. And to this one I found this sweet little dish from, it reminded me of a bread basket or a berry basket, so I thought it was cute. And to this I added some chocolate and just a little EOS lip balm. And then next, I have another one of the little bags, and this one has this notebook in it, and I again did the wire wrapping and things on there. So to this one I am adding these from Hobby Lobby. This one's watermelon sorbet, and I thought it was perfect and summery and gardeny to add to this little prize. And then lastly, I have this little bag. So I got these little totes, and I used this to hang the keychain from this one so it would stay. And then to the inside of this one, I did the sweet little cup, and this is also from Hobby Lobby. I have hauled this already. And to the inside I just added some Hershey's Kisses and an EOS lip what are they called? Chopstick. So, and that one just goes in the other little bag. And that is all that I have for my prizes. I just wanted to share with you guys some creative ideas for your next party or event or gathering with friends. I hope that you're all having a sweet day. Bye-bye.